Alright guys, this is Savon from Motor City Chrysler. I'm here doing a quick video. I have a 2015 Kia Sorento. It's a family vehicle. I'll show you. I'm changing the passenger side mirror on it, and I couldn't seem to find any actual videos on how to do that. So this is a 2015 Kia Sorento SX. It's the fully loaded one. I'll show you what mine looks like right now. And I just started, and everyone else online was telling you to take the whole door panel off, and you don't have to do it. You just have to be a little bit patient. Here's what it looks like. Check it out. Okay, so this is my Kia Sorento. So as you can see, it's broken over here, and this is all broken as well. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of sunny out here, so it's broken. So all I had to do really is, there is this little trim piece here, okay, for the speaker that goes over here. You just pull that out, okay, nice and easy. There's one bolt here, okay, so that's covered. One bolt, as you can see, all of it online. The only thing is, these two bolts right here, you can get access to. The third one, you're gonna need something to get in there, okay, and your harness is tucked in inside. Okay, so to untuck it, you'll see this little black tab. This thing goes in, as you can see, and it clicks out. So all I had to do is click it out with something small like this. So I'll try to get it. So you just click it out. Okay, when it's in there, it's nice and easy. Okay, so you just click it out. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the phone, and so you hear that click. Okay, and then you press down on this and pull it out. So if you can see, the harness is attached there. Okay, so once this black thing is released out like this, you'll need something picky like mine to push this in and pull up, and it'll unlock. Okay, and then to lock it back in, you slide it in, and then this harness goes back in. Okay, so it's nice and easy. You see how it looks there when it's in, and then I'll show you when it's out. Okay, so this is when it's out. Okay, you see that? Here, I'll push it in again. See that? So that's clicked in. Okay, and then I'll be able to take this out, and I'll show you the result after. Thank you. So this is what you need to get in here. Okay, as you can see, just be careful it does not drop inside, otherwise you will have to take the whole panel off. Alright, I already took this one out. This one's loose, and then I'm going to take this one out. Okay, and we'll see you at the end.